There you go.
Jeez, Jasmine, there go that Bitcoin. Came back for a second entry too.
Were you for a sale or a buy?
Why? I don't. In the message I sent, once it came to the 50%, I seen it probably coming to the 25. Smashed 25, came back. So if we respect this level, it probably shoot down. But if it don't, we're going back up.
Mm. Well, let's see. We got two engulfings. One that's kind of in touch, and the other that hasn't been touched. So we'll see how it plays. You know how Bitcoin is.
Facts. But I'm for sure not touching it. I should have took this buy down here though when it came back to the 50, but
I ain't touching it
Oh, you trading Bitcoin? Get your mind right.
nah. It was just on my screen because remember I marked it up what was it last week?
either. Mm-hmm.
I seen that it came back to the 50%. I just been looking at it.
Where you think it's headed?
Uh well, if it break above this zone,
It looked like it. It's looking like it has some momentum right now.
back.
Right?
But it's been playing this left shoulder. So if it break above this, I'm seeing it at least come to this zone right here because Bitcoin got this like we never came back to retest none of this area up in here.
Mm.
So, but if it don't respect it, then I'm looking for it to come somewhere down here, at least to this wick.
Let me add some pairs back on this thing
That's
here.
what I see for Bitcoin. But I'm for sure not trading that.
Yeah. What you got an eye on? What you got an eye
All right. So AU had already gave me this drop on Friday. I was gonna get in it, but I didn't.
on?
So what I'm looking for is possibly a retest right here at this left shoulder zone. We continue to take it down at least to this 25, probably the 50. But if it don't respect the 50 down to this 25 zone, you still got this like little left shoulder somewhere up in here, but it's also at a B zone too. So
If it don't respect that 50, that's a clean violation.
you heard.
I would take that. I would take it from the
Oh,
top
yep.
or the bottom.
And then on top of that, it's a daily setup too, Jazz. So
That's pretty. You know what? And it's also uh like even if you do like your quarter fibs, like look at your 75. If it break your 75, that's an engulfing violation. If it breaks your 50, your 25 is the right shoulder.
right,
I mean, yeah.
facts. So this
If
was
it
our.
break your 100,
Oh yeah, you
it
already
up.
know. You already know we either going here or here.
Yeah.
So
I
this
like
is
that. Set my alert.
I want to set that thing because you know AU it'll get you right. So
Yeah.
this what I'm looking at. I know I said earlier I'm gonna be messing with AU for the $10 thing. So once I get that up, you know, then we're gonna be killing it on other stuff. Right now, I'm probably just focused on AU.
Yeah.
I
I
see it,
like that.
but if it for sure come back to this blue zone, I'm most definitely jumping in up here and then gonna take somewhere right here because we did break below this trend line too.
I
So
think that's the one I'm looking at. Okay, so what time frame are
oh, it's already
you
dropping.
looking for? Is your confirmation for a break?
Most likely the 4 hour, but you know, if I wanted to, you see how it broke and it retested on the 1 hour. But this is a whole violation right here because you see you got this left shoulder, you got this head. This would be the retest of that violation. So possibly could just reverse, but I'm sure it gave you like
Mm-hmm.
a good 20 pips.
That's a right shoulder violation.
And you know what? Get
It's
your
a
mind.
violation of that as well. Yeah.
And you know what? Get your mind right. I got the same markup, and actually, I've got. You see right here.
Where at? Uh-huh.
Okay, I've got it waiting for it to come back up to here, sell back down because this is going to be my 420.
Yep, that's what I'm
Yep.
looking for too.
So I've got
So
an
you
entry.
know,
So I've got an entry in right here. I've got my entry right in here for a sale.
yep, that's what I'm looking for too, Mom. That confirmation.
Confirmation.
Confirmation is the game.
I'm not gonna toot my horn. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
that's
toot my
that's
horn on
good.
anything.
Yeah, Mama, that's clean. Get your mind right too. Yeah.
So yeah, this was 20 pips right here though. If you would have
Yep,
just clicked
yep.
off the 1 hour, but you know,
Yep.
I'm this is really a daily setup for me. So I'm gonna stick to the 4 hour in the daily. Hey, Michael, don't laugh at me, dog.
No, I'm not. Hey, I've been like I told y'all since
I'm
down
scared.
here. Since down here
Oh yeah,
3 weeks ago. What's that? 3 weeks ago, this was a setup, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. As far as like just letting it go. I've been watching this.
Yeah.
We didn't argued over this. So, hey, same setup, yo. Same setup. Good
Facts.
stuff. Go ahead and
You for sure
you got
finna
anything
get this
else?
buy down here too, though.
You said what?
You for sure finna get this buy down here, though. It's
I'm honestly, as much as it pushed up, I'm only looking for right here. I'm only looking for real. I'm thinking about getting in the sell, either here, wait for it to break in below down here, because if it bounce off of this and just keep on going, yeah. So I'm really just looking for
I get you.
where I can get in. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for
Right.
2 buys.
Oh, I got you right here too.
Yep, straight up. Yeah, that was the one we got. There was a whole argument over that move right there.
That violation.
Uh-huh. We talked about it on last week's call.
Yeah.
Well,
Yes.
shoot, I mean, it was a violation, but when I be looking at the head and shoulders, sometimes I be feeling like the market gonna always come back and give you that double top forming the head before it actually kind of like drop. But
That's a straight inverted.
yeah, I was just about to say the whole inverted, like that's the whole neckline, and this is the zone.
Yeah.
Yep.
Based off of the daily, you know, because technically we are in a downtrend. So
And look at that, the B zone, that neckline of that huge inverted, that area is a retest of a inverted violation.
yep.
Yep.
And then she already know if it break above this is gonna
Take
be
it.
next zone. Oh yeah, you
Yep.
already know. I'm messing with this week.
And did you watch the recording from last week?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I be watching all of them, but you know, I
That's
be
exactly where we was like, if I said, hey, it goes up, that's where I'm seeing it. So that's, hey, as long as we got the same eyes, confirmation.
Yep.
that's all we
Yeah.
need. Confirmation. So that's what I think I'm gonna just focus on this week. AU. That's about it. I don't really know, man. Gold. I'm mad. I wanted to get in gold, and it came
Oh my goodness.
all the way to my entry and drop.
Dropped that inverted in weeks ago when Lisa popped her head in the chat and dipped.
Man. Look,
I wonder if
Mr.
she
Buy
took
and
it.
sell.
Wow. Cause she had it selling. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take it because it's a nice markup. But I was like, I see that inverted.
This one
Wow,
right
that
here.
played out nicely. No,
Right.
if you
Oh,
move
this
your
one.
pink over to the left, to
This
that
one?
left shoulder.
I
Your
still
B
think it's gonna
zone,
go up.
your B zone is the move it over to the left. If you look left, it's the
Oh.
yep. right
Oh,
there.
yep. That's why I said I missed the buy and the sell, because I was looking at the B zone, like you said, for the buy. Because
Mhm.
my original entry was right here for the sell. I was waiting for this because you see this?
Mm. 420.
So that's what I was looking at, and like that, the buy was just on a smaller time frame, kind of like a fake out from the higher setup. So that's something that I'm learning too. So
Yeah. Well, what do you,
Mm.
so what's your game plan going into the week? Are you just
uh
like, oh, just look at, just you know, figure out AUD USD and
facts. I
go from there.
most definitely focus on AU, but if gold drop below this weekly zone though, I'm for sure taking that sell.
Right.
At
Yeah.
least probably like somewhere up in here or something.
Mm. That's one choppy area.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets choppy sometimes.
It's a whole left shoulder too.
Yeah, I'm looking at that.
It gets choppy
So
sometimes.
it's a whole left shoulder too. So
Mm-hmm.
it come break below this, I'll probably just sell it down here. But really, I'm focused on AU because I feel like I already missed this move, so I'm not trying to force nothing. I
Well,
missed
But
it.
you just gonna set your alert?
Uh, possibly. I don't know. I'm not even. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not even gonna look at it. Well, I'll probably just look at it like a couple days from now. But I'm really just gonna focus on AU. I'm gonna just try to stay tunnel vision on AU since I know the size of my account, and then probably at the end of this week, I'll start touching something else. Hopefully, goals show me something better by the end of this week. By next week.
I like it. Stick to your plan. Get your mind right.
Facts, gots to jazz. But yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
got. I don't know. I don't know if
That
y'all.
AU is very, 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 very nice. I'm gonna have to look at that between that AU and Cash Chef. They both looking pretty good.
Yeah,
Facts.
I'm
that's
gonna
the
have
only
to
pair
make a
I'm looking.
decision.
I mean, that's the only pair I'm looking at is AU right now. That's the one I
Facts.
gotta put an
Okay.
order in.
AU squad in the building.
You heard? Yeah, I heard mom say, we gonna make this thing. We're gonna make this thing work. We're gonna make this thing work.
Real quick, mama, let me show you something.
But
Let me show you. Cause I was just looking at it. Look at your setup
which one?
from Chart and Sip. This is AU too.
I can't see it.
Oh, am I not sharing?
I see your picture. Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Let me share the screen again. You see it now?
Yep.
That was your setup and get your mind right. Look at
Bloopsy bloop, bloopsy bloop.
look at Eurocad.
See?
Gave you the buy and that wholesale. That's over 300 pips. Mama, yours was over 200 pips. Oh, let's look at yours, Micah. I really begin to think out of this, y'all. 300 pips. Came back a little bit, but it gave me that drop. Oh, dang, Ashley. That's all right, sis. Yeah, these is, hold on. Alex's trade done did a little something. It finally gave a retest. We up 60 pips.
Let's go.
All right, y'all. Y'all killing it. Period.
Period, Pooh.
Period, Pooh. You gonna share your screen, Micah? You muted. I can't hear you.
Yeah, I can share my screen.
Yeah, what you looking at, Chart Gorillas? You about to
Well,
drop 10 charts on us?
I just opened up AU. Yeah, you already know.
So you agree with everybody's AU, or is this about to be debate night?
been the same thing I've been saying. But this is Euro odd.
Yeah. If it break back above your green zone, that's gonna be a nice folks with it.
Well, that's not AU that I had. Yeah. Let's go back up to let's see. There you go. Yep. That was the whole game plan, just to wake up. This right
Go
here.
back to Euro odd. You just
Euro
flip.
odd is what
You
I'm
just
looking
flipped
at.
right through it.
Euro odd is what I'm looking at now. I'm waiting for this. Waiting for my jump up.
I like that too. 420, and it's a violation of a neckline.
If it
That
get there, if
thing
it
clean though.
don't give me there. I'm here. And I did.
I like that.
Where else?
Hey, that's like a setup within a setup because you got
Yeah.
a whole inverted at current.
Micah, why you flipping so fast? Like, what's up?
That's about to come in that room and get you, dog.
I don't need note takers. Trying to give you the setup and move.
What's the setup within the setup? What you see get your mind?
All right, so you got this whole head and shoulders right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then once it break above, you got that next. Well, you got this inverted, and then once it break above, you got a bigger inverted.
Yeah.
You see what I'm playing at? You said I just got ain't even.
Wait. Where's the bigger inverted? After you get your right shoulder still that inverted?
So right here, you got this inverted, then you got this inverted right here. So this would be the head, and then this would be the. Sorry, Mike, can I try and mark up all
Yes.
that?
Okay. That's what I said. Okay. So you're right, because you got the break above the green zone, which is your 420 or violation of neckline. Okay, we got our excuses to get in that bar.
Right.
And you got the right shoulder,
Right.
which is now 100% to get that inverted. So that inverted ready whenever it comes back.
But
Right.
you always good. Remember, you always got your. This was.
Let me drop that in the chat real quick.
This is a right shoulder right here. So
Like to
boom,
mess with Micah.
right here. And hear what I say with engulfings on your 420. This was it. There's your engulfing right here. Right shoulder. All the way
Yeah, that's true.
up. So you got the perfect entry. Well, it was a perfect entry for your head just because it dropped so far over here. So this became your head. Left shoulder, right shoulder. I mean, you guys know it.
If you get that break for the buy, how many pips is that to that right shoulder?
That's like a good 60.
If
70.
Euro eye costs the pips, that gotta be over 100 pips. That's a big zone.
What, from here to here? 130.
Oh, that is pretty.
Sheesh.
Oh, you got to break and get that 420?
Yeah.
That's your odd.
So you wouldn't even. Yeah.
Now look,
That's your
look.
odd pay.
Euro eye. Here, let me look at the spreadsheet. I think it's like 6 cents. 6 cents a pip.
I will let you know, I did document my USD trade as a pending order.
Go mama. Go mama. Go
I'm trying
mama.
to
Go
start off
mama.
with a good foot.
Right?
Yay.
Like I said, with that one, that's just.
I'm gonna have to look at that. You're odd. Okay.
I like it.
At, not too.
That's pretty. I don't even need to show my screen because get your mind right, did it.
But this is another one right here. Like if Zar gives me this, I'm gonna be.
Ooh, and that second touch is a bullish engulfing, so you got a violation.
Lean. Hey, I was just looking at USD ZAR, I think Friday or Thursday.
Oh, it's going to that inverted Micah.
Take some time, but I mean.
How many pips is that?
a
We
big-
got
Too much sauce.
y'all.
That's
We
too
got
much sauce, Jazz.
Not only is that a violation of the head and bullish engulfing, that's a 420 setup.
Yep. Like
That's
these
over
movies,
480 pips.
if I can get that drop, I just gotta wait on what the market gonna do, and I'm cool with that.
I'm
I'm trying
cool
to
with a
see
cool
if
200 pips.
yeah, I'm trying to see, but
I ain't
see
gotta
how
hold
we
it.
in the zone. See how we in the zone now for a push up, so we might get another entry up here to push down.
Wait, you live streaming this call?
Yep, it's all live, baby. But anything else, I don't know. I haven't seen. I ain't looked at anything else for real. But
Can you drop them screenshots in Winter Squad so I can look back?
look at this. This is beautiful. I didn't even looked at you.
Violated that right shoulder
Oh,
and
that
took off with a vengeance.
goes, 170.
What you seeing next?
For what it to do next?
Yep.
A drop for your right shoulder for real. It look like it already gave it to you. See if it give you 100% of it.
Why is that your right shoulder and not a double top when they're equally high?
What's equally high? Oh, you talking about that wick right there?
Yeah. I mean, if you box it up body to wick, it'd be the same.
I'm just showing what the market done did. I ain't shoot.
I thought we were looking at setups.
Yeah, we looking at setups, but I'm looking like, look, it ain't broke yet. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Shoot.
So
Yeah.
what are you looking at for it to do next is the question.
Yeah, this is not equal high. This is not equal high. Let me move this for you. Maybe by inch, but that's still lit and it's still working for you. Yep, and it's dropping. This is that's a whole right shoulder right there. So what it look like it going? Move this. Oh, it's already marked up. This is just need to be listening. It's time for me to clean my chart. Where you gave me at? Dude. Almost a 3 finger. What do you call it? 3 finger. 50%. Probably where I would get my reaction at, right around here, this area right here. Yeah. Look like that's where it's headed. We got the 50% jumble. So if I wanted to get in this, whew, I want to see the bounce first. To finish it, yeah, it'll just be just like the other one. I gotta break this. So that 50. What? You alright? I hear you yelling. But yeah, man, look at that strong cat. They're just pushing. Straight up. A little choppy for a UJ pair, but yeah, I can see that.
Dang, UJ came right back to that zone. Hey, you know it's crazy because I was gonna sell that.
Yeah. I mean, for real, like I said, you still your head is still poking up above. It's more like a three finger setup or whatever. You know, where coach used to be like, you know, the 3 fingers, but yeah.
Sure, I'll probably still keep my eye on that too, though.
UJ.
You know, I've been trading that all month.
Oh yeah. You and
Yeah, I heard Alex said he was trading it too.
Woo, look at this. My God, I got it. This is wild, yo. Like this has literally been, yo. When I seen this move here, I was like, we back in the zone. Never gave you the 420. This was the setup right here. This is the setup. I mean, yeah, I was seeing all this down here, and I see this all up here, but hey, this was pretty. You already know. So, you know, let's show it. Head. Violation. Dang. All this. I've been waiting on that. Dang, I didn't even notice that. That did that last week. Look at that entry though. It's nasty, yo. You probably might not even been picked up. For real. That might have just wicked you by like little nick on that one home. Yeah. That's beautiful right there. NZD USD. Hey, get your mind right. Cause with AUD USD, it basically gave it was the same setup, right?
Oh yeah, they look the same too.
Yep, it was the same setup. And it gave you the bounce off. I was looking at this. This one actually gave me the neckline right before AUD USD, but this might do the same thing. AUD might.
I started comparing the charts. So like when I see charts that look the same, I just put,
Yeah.
you know how Coach O showed us how you add the chart to the chart and then turn it to a line chart. I started doing that. So when I see that they like line up and they identical, I said I'm gonna start trading them like both the pairs at the same time. So like if I'm buying this, if they going the same way and I'm buying this, so I'm gonna buy that one. Like I said, I'm gonna start testing that out.
Yeah, it's like I said last week. I've been watching them, and this one was able to pull the neckline before AUD. But hey, and it seemed like it missed it right here, and then finally came back and actually hit it, and then started to drop. But the same way as AUD.
Get your mind right.
For me to get the sell would be right here.
When I see they the same setup on multiple pairs, if one violate before the other one, I'm like, okay, this is a you know, kind of a signal that the rest of them about to follow.
Man, hey, facts, you know, I didn't even think about it like that. Cause some do move faster than the other.
Yeah, think about it. If NU violated that shoulder way before AU, okay, let me just wait on it because it's coming.
Got you.
You know, if you miss it, you're like, all right, I already know this about to go.
Right. Yeah, this is if I get that bounce above, then I'm here, and then I'm looking for a big drop. But
hey, Lisa.
let's see what it does. Dude. Y'all, yeah, I could do this all day. Y'all already know that. Who else want to share? Show me something you looking at.
Come on, Lisa.
I'm like you, Mike. I'll be running through the charts, man.
I'll run through it like no tomorrow. I even added some, so I got me something to do tonight.
Hey, I was looking at that Mexican peso.
Really? Like US to Mexican peso?
Yup.
Hey, Jasmine, how are you?
Hey, Lisa.
I'm good.
I happened to look down at my phone just now and see y'all on Facebook Live. That's how I know y'all want to call. Hey, Lisa.
I know. I seen you watching. I was like, if you don't hop on this phone, girl.
I was looking for this link all afternoon. How y'all doing? I'm back.
Oh, Micah, did you not put it in the announcements?
I just saw it. I mean, I saw you on Facebook. That's how I know.
Yeah, I didn't put it.
Oh, Micah, you got to start putting the link in the announcements just in case nobody be in the chat.
Oh,
but I dropped a chart tonight, earlier this afternoon, similar to what y'all were talking about when I saw y'all on the call.
For what pair?
I gotta look and see. Let me look at my phone and see, honey. I don't remember.
Hey, Lisa, you pop up just in time. I was just telling Jazz that she gotta have faith, dog.
Yeah.
Let me tell y'all, because get your mind right. All of y'all. I had oil to go to 161 and take profit on Friday. Came out, I went right there.
You gotta shake your screen.
I don't know that put in the chat. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you in a second. Go ahead, Mike. I'm listening.
I said you gotta share your screen.
Oh, I have to switch computers. Hold on.
Micah, drop your setups in the chat.
I had dropped on the chat. I'll have to switch on my old computer, but I'll come on in a minute. But hold on. I just had to tell you all I saw the same thing. Similar, we could discuss it.
Yeah, I didn't
I'm
see
trying
it.
the other computer. It's in Discord. I put it in Discord, but let me pull up.
You talking about oil?
Yeah, come
Oh,
on,
no,
Lisa.
I don't worry, baby. This is a different pair altogether today. I didn't do oil.
Okay.
Because I'm waiting to see what oil is gonna do, because I don't normally trade on Sunday or whatever.
See, I gotta hold off on oil just for a second. Oil gotta do some things first.
Yeah, I need to see if it can pull back or what it can do.
Yeah, if I can get that double top of oil, oh yes.
It was Euro GBP.
Oh, okay, cool. You want me to pull it up or you go?
Oh, you're a cheapy.
I can try pull it up. I can try, but you can pull it up for me because I gotta go on a different computer. I'm not gonna take a minute. Because I ran to this computer because I know I could get on quickly on this.
I want y'all to see this.
Lisa said, "Don't leave me out." She said,
I
"I'm
know
the
that's right.
first thing I could touch."
Hey, I gotta eat.
She said, "Let me let her know I'm coming."
I'm so
I'm
nervous
coming.
about this oil. If it go up, we gonna see $5 here. Y'all gonna see 8 there. Get your mind right. You gonna see $8, $9 gas if this thing pops off like this.
Oh my God, no, we already seeing $8, $9.
You see oil, it's running, yo.
Oh yeah, it's pushing up, but I still waiting. I gotta wait. To see what it does tomorrow.
Hey, remember how gold went down to like -$3?
Yeah. Wait,
Bro,
negative.
just imagine if it drop again like that. Where you think it's gonna go?
But the thing, gold's gonna drop and then it coming back up. But the
I still
difference
think it's gonna go back up. I still think it's gonna go back up eventually. Eventually, I still think it's going up.
Yeesh.
I think people are just like, it's all about the economy, you know what I'm saying?
That's what oil running on right now. Oil running on the wall.
Yeah,
So like, cause you know how. So I don't even know, cause I don't watch the TV or nothing, cause I feel like TV is depressing. So
yeah,
I don't know if the war is still going on, but if it is,
it is.
If they. Oh wait, true. Now I feel what you're saying, because if they do own the oil supply, and if they was to cut it short, then the prices will only rise. All right, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just had to think about what I was about to say. You feel me?
The whole thing is like, everything kind of switched. You don't really hear too much about the war right now, but
No, you don't hear too much about them.
yeah,
Of course, you don't hear much about COVID because the war came. But now that all this shooting it's going on and now how the war, you know.
it's yeah, I think this is going back up, and oil.
I think they're trying to distract us.
This will be this the highest it's been.
I'm with you. Get your mind right, man. I don't know what it is though.
Look at that.
Facts, cause man, it's just terrible how they shooting up all these schools and stuff though.
Yeah.
I can't get back on. I don't know what's going on.
Hey, that's a whole inverted head and shoulders. So
where are you?
the retest at that neckline will be inverted at current market.
So, no, go to the daily. Go to the daily.
Right.
Can you all hear me?
Yes, Lisa, loud and
Go to the
clear.
daily. Go to the daily. Go to the daily first. Don't go to the 4 hour. Go on the daily. What the hell am I trying to get on here?
Ooh, you think it's gonna drop from right here? It could.
Oh, that's a whole engulfing candle too.
Oh,
Yep.
But I don't trust fat engulfings for some weird reason. Does that make sense?
I don't know why, because it respect me.
Yeah. Lisa said,
Lisa said, it's valley till it's in valley.
What's going on here?
I don't know why it is. I just keep seeing it. I just think maybe
I'm in the
if I
line.
get 50 of it, it's gonna eat in there somehow.
Oh,
You don't
yeah.
know how oil works though, Lisa. It goes to the top of engulfings before it drops.
the daily just look a little bit choppy. I think the 4 hour look a lot better.
Yeah. It's Still
Cause
it
like
is.
you see how at that current market, you can't really even tell what it's giving you, but like when you drop down to the far, you can see the inverted clearly. So like you could find a setup based off of that. Like it gave the whole left shoulder.
What?
We in the
Can you
zone.
put your chart up? I can't see that.
Hold on. I'm trying to like make it all.
Well, I'm not talking about the big picture.
Even the small. I need a bounce before I get this break back in the zone. That's just
Yeah,
that's
that's what I was
420
saying.
moves.
Probably I was saying like probably like you could get a possible retest like somewhere up in this. Dang, this thing all ugly.
Hey, but in order, this still buying, this need to break.
Yeah, all this happened.
Right there.
You can get a retest.
All right, I have two screens. Hold on.
I just say it just broke this engulfing here. That's why I'm saying a bounce.
Got you.
But it's good. That's why I said I had to lay off oil for a minute because it's got to figure out what it's going to do with this. Like, is the economy going to?
And it's a new month too, so you know.
Yeah, you know, I don't know. It's like that's iffy. So I'm gonna pass on it and just worry about the other pairs. What you got, Lisa? What were you talking? You was talking about what pair you was talking about? Euro GBP.
Used to say I'm almost there.
I don't think I got Euro GBP.
Hold on. This my brother called me and his wife sick. Hold on, I come right back.
Okay. Let's see what she talking about on Euro GBP. Hey.
Oh, we at the B zone.
Yeah, you're the B. You at
The whole left shoulder.
Left shoulder. Looks like he gave you really the right shoulder. This might come up.
I mean, yeah, the right shoulder, my bad. That go the left shoulder to the left. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hold on, let's see. Nope, that's not even. With the body. Yep. You already know.
Y'all, I'm sorry, I'm back.
I need to break above.
Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Tell they mark up. Hold on, that's it there, Michael. Hold on, let's see.
Where you at?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, where?
I can't hear him.
What was you talking about, Lisa? I'm just marking. There's a violation. 100%. Dang, it ain't even give you.
I just don't like that zone that you just drew, just because it's not really respected.
Okay, now I can hear. What Michael did.
That zone right there from that engulf.
What you did? Screw over to the left. Let me see. All right. I think I see something what you did. Let me show you what I see. I ain't saying nothing. Tell me what you see.
Yeah, that could take a head, possibly. If it respect that zone,
can I share?
Yeah.
Once it dropped below that zone, that second green zone Micah got, that'd be
I don't know. That zone choppy.
Okay. All right. Let me see what I see. I ain't going as far as Micah going. You see my screen?
Go ahead.
Why do you say I share it? I put up a chart. You were sharing. Okay, let me stop and start again. Share. You see it?
Yeah.
That's what I see. I take it from here. That's engulfing here. Come here, but break that and go up. If it don't, then it comes back down. That's pretty.
It's the right shoulder violation. Also, if you move your red line over.
If I move.
Oh, yeah. But if it goes up, it's also 420.
Right.
Mm-hmm. And if it breaks above that zone there, you're right, it is a right shoulder violation.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
That's
that's what I
pretty too.
saw.
It's crazy how you and Micah almost had similar setups, but just the slight difference in zones and make you look at it differently.
Right, because he went further over the night and I went right into this
Yeah, I
water
got
blower and
Mhm.
oven candle. And I
Yeah.
saw this in here. And it already break here.
Mm.
It also never got
Mm.
retested, so I know Micah said he don't trust the big engulfings, but you know, you should expect a reaction at least.
From there. Because
Yeah.
I have an alert to set to drop it down or take it up. Either one.
I like it.
All right. Thank you.
How was your trade week last week, Lisa?
My trade week was good because I had oil. I'm pretty stuck.
Well, Lisa, you missed our accountability call. So just to
No, I
update
was
you, we are-
looking, hold on, I was looking for that all afternoon and I didn't see the drop. That's why I dropped that chart. I don't know what happened. I
What? Hold
remember,
on, hold on. Did I drop the ball?
I was looking all day. That's why I told you I was
I
shocked.
posted it in there. Okay, you know what? I didn't put it in the announcement, Lisa. I thought I put it in the announcements, but
Because I went and
no,
whatever.
yeah, I did. I put it in there at 2:51.
But shall I know, because I sure was waiting on it, because I was looking. The last thing I
Yeah.
saw in there, let me show you what I saw. Hold on. I might look in the wrong place. Hold on. But you can tell me what
Share
happened.
your screen, Lisa, so I can see what you see.
Hold on. Let me go to Discord. The
Okay.
lounge. This where I was.
Go to
Just today?
announcement, Lisa.
Oh, I didn't go there. I just go and looking
Ah.
in here. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
go
why I
to
need to look.
announcements.
All right, but then I didn't
Because
go.
I
to the
always put the link. I always put the link so you guys don't have to scroll. So if you go down, just go down.
Is it here? Yeah, no.
Go up.
Right
It
here,
was a
right here.
little- Go up. Right there. You
Today
see
at
that?
3:51.
Accountability call 3 p.m. and then at 3:51, I put the link in there.
No, Child, no, I didn't see that. I went to the wrong place. It ain't you,
That's
it's me.
okay.
Because I went in here. But that's okay. So
Okay,
what
so
happened?
Lisa,
Uh-huh.
we doing a challenge. It's optional if you want to do it. We're
Okay.
growing an account to $1,000. So we
Okay.
got some people that's doing $10. We got some people that's doing $50. You can start your account with whatever amount you want to do. And then next accountability call, we're gonna link up, see how everybody's doing, where their amount is, and exchange information to help each other grow and get to the next level. So it's not a race because we want everybody to get to that 1,000. So
Okay.
That's right.
it don't matter. If you get there first, you better share your sauce so we can be right behind you.
Mhm.
So it's no pressure.
And-
It's no judgment, but let's get everybody to that 1K goal with a small account.
Yes,
All right.
and not,
So
and not just that, whatever amount you start your account with, whether it's $10, $20, $50, whatever. No, we're gonna grow it to 1,000 at your pace.
all right. I can do 50 and I can do 10.
Yeah,
right.
I said 50. I said y'all
I
that's
think
doing
you
10
might
is
do
a
50.
beast.
Tomorrow might do 10.
Okay. But I'm sorry I
Yes.
missed it because I sure was waiting on the call. So that's my fault. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
you missed it, was good.
Yeah,
And I
so
was
Lisa,
looking-
always check the announcements. I dropped the links in there so y'all don't have to scroll through the chat and find it.
Okay, so go to announcements. Okay, point taken. I didn't know. All right.
That's
So I
all
got
right,
it.
girl.
All right. I'm glad I'm here.
Those,
Glad you here.
we about to be like those YouTube gurus. You feel me?
That's a fact.
You heard?
Yep, let's practice bye.
Hey, but we really flipping these accounts though. So you know, the only difference is we ain't putting everybody in our business.
Yep, Bruce.
Yeah. So that is what I saw today on that markup. And then
That's good, Lisa.
I think those GBP pairs. That's what Michael was looking at just now.
Ooh, you on the 15-minute.
I ain't doing all this. You can see this?
Oh, look at GJ.
Now, I was thinking, hold on, let me move this.
Give it that right shoulder and then
Yeah,
continue
you
to
think, look
scale.
at this. Y'all got me doing all this stuff, honey.
That's that smart money candle.
So I gotta pull that down a little bit more. I'm waiting on this to see if this can break and close below or go back up. It's right here, they're sitting on it and golfing. What you think?
Okay,
Oh,
so
yeah, that
Lisa,
Boston
this is the
golfing.
second time you showed this. Why
This-
are you waiting for it to just? Okay, why aren't you boxing up a hole engulfing before you wait for your violation? Why?
Oh, that's right, the
What's the science
violation. So,
behind that?
but hold on, does the violation do from here or does the violation do from the bottom of the candle? Or the whole candle?
I'm asking you.
I'm asking to be sure, because what I'm waiting for is for a strong candle breakout, because I don't want to come here, right? And I might be wrong, so you educating me. If I were to do this, right? And this candle here, hold on, am I poorly lying so you can see I learning how to use these tricks. Button there. Right here. I will make sure I break. Wait, I will make sure this, no, wrong. Because I don't trade these pairs, so I ain't that familiar, but I'll make sure this come down and do this. Or oh man,
You gotta double click, Lisa.
yeah, I can do this, but why at night? Hold on, sorry. Right? Oh, I don't know if it, or to make sure they don't do this on me. Sorry, y'all, this is my wrong computer. I hope y'all didn't give me one thing.
Yeah, don't be sorry. We following you, Lisa.
Because of my violation, right? I gotta get 100% of this neckline,
Mhm.
all right? And for this to break and come back. So that's my.
Wait. Okay, just to make sure that I'm following you, you're calling the engulfing your neckline?
No. I'm not calling, if I do a violation, right?
Uh-huh.
Because if this was a violation, I need to do a head, right? I don't see that.
It'd be a 420.
That's what I was thinking.
But
Uh-huh.
if I come, wait, hold on, let me come in close so I can see it. All right.
Usually when I see candles like that, Lisa, I put my box on the body of the candle. I don't really use the wick. When I see those smart money candles.
See, okay, I used to, normally, I would do this too. And wait on the break.
I was like, I used to do that, but then like there's.
What if it gets respected?
Yeah.
And it just had a further pull.
Oh, where you get respect at? You always have to try to get past that because it can go to the edge and then bounce back up.
Mean to the edge here.
Yeah, that's what I just to be safe. Because then you know you're really getting a breakout instead of like, you know.
Yeah, that's why they really on a break, a strong break to come in.
Yep. You there. You got your whole little head and shoulders right here.
Yeah. Lisa, if you don't mind.
But go ahead. What you want me to do? Come out, stop?
Yeah. I'm gonna just because I'm trying to figure out how to explain it. I'm gonna just show you what I
All
see,
right, go ahead.
and then you point out what you see also.
Okay,
We can talk about it.
okay.
Okay, because you're. Okay, where's GJ at?
There it is.
Oh,
You know, if you go,
I just cleared it so I could.
so you know, if you go up to Windows,
I
and
could
just type
find it. All right.
crosses.
You said what?
I said, you know, if you go up to Windows and do pairs, it'll pull it for you.
Okay. So you got some serious laser eyes, Lisa, because you really looking at this setup. So this is what I see. If we're looking at this little section. So the market goes up,
Pulls back.
pulls back, goes higher. So we got 100% of this.
Right, so that's neckline.
So if you want this right here is a right shoulder setup because we got 100% of the neckline, right?
I see why you asked me that, and I'm gonna tell you this. I did not see that, right?
Mhm.
What I saw, and now I learned something right here. I was going to the engulfing candle. I didn't even see that there. So that's where the difference, that's why you asked me that. So now that you did that, I now see the head and shoulder. I didn't see the head and shoulder just now.
Because Lisa, I was okay, because where Jasmine's at, that's what I was looking at. So I was like, okay, well, you know, you got to trade what you see. So if you really are going
That's
from
a
that
fact.
engulfing, you know, that engulfing candle, then that's where you're going to be putting your stuff in for that engulfing candle. And it's not wrong. It's just that you're going by what you are seeing.
Yes.
Right. But now that she showed me that, hold on, Jasmine, put that right there because you trained me now to look for something different. Because
Okay,
you know,
okay.
Glenda, I did not see that head and shoulder. I did not see that. I saw an engulfing candle. I
That's
saw that
okay.
head.
This is GJ, so you can get in for a quick shoulder, get in, get out. The only reason why I was asking about this engulfing, because number one, Micah had mentioned the 420. So market goes up, pulls back, you draw your line. I'm gonna just draw my line from the body of this candle because this is the candle that we needed to break. But you do have that engulfing. So that's why I was asking. But for me personally, in order for me to take an engulfing, it has to break at minimum the body of the engulfed candles. But these wicks, to me, I just wouldn't ignore them. GJ is a pound here. So you can look at it from two ways. If you take the sale, just know that we have this pullback area, our P zone. So you can either wait for the break. Mama likes to trade the B zone, she'll buy it. And then you have, if it pulls back up, if it does buy, you got this right shoulder here, but we gotta wait for this to happen.
So see, and that's why when you asked me, when I said, I was waiting for that strong breakout here to see what was gonna do because they're engulfing candle. But now you taught me something else just now because I did not see that. So now I see why you asked me when you said it's a violation because of the neckline.
What do you see, Micah? Would you trade this 420 knowing that this did not violate this bullish engulfing? Would that be an early entry or would you wait?
Well, you see right now it's respecting it. Like what I learned is when the zone is strong, it hits the width. When it's weak, now you're touching the body. On candles, if you go by candles. So until then, you don't jump in until you break that whole engulfing body.
Yes.
That's what I tell her. Okay.
So you will wait for a break.
Mm-hmm.
Then once it pulls back, you will go ahead and take it.
And then sell it down.
Take the sale, yeah. With that, but in that you're breaking trend
Yeah.
if you want to go by Get Your Mind Right, what's next? See, Get Your Mind Right. She's snap Chunky's up. But go ahead, man. You already know.
No, say what you was gonna say. You want me to grab him? Oh, he done already
You
went
crying?
out.
Daddy.
But what did you say, Mama?
Oh no, that was
Nothing.
Oh, who was that?
that was me.
Okay, what you gotta say? Get your mind right.
Oh no, I said Micah said, oh, daddy time.
Yeah, for real.
But
Oh
when you
yeah,
do,
I mean Lisa, and then you already know if it gives it to you, you know what to do. You got opportunities. You got right shoulder you can take. You got B zone you can take. You got violation of the neckline you can take. It's endless opportunity. You just gotta wait for it. You just
Right.
have to wait.
what I was gonna say was though is like, all right, so you see how you do that black line and then lined up with the that little smart money counter or whatever. Like if you
That's
want
where
to,
you would take your buy.
nah.
I was about to say you risque.
Nah. If you really want to play the wicks too though, like if you see that red, if you put a line at the top of that red wick, hold on, let me see.
With this pullback here.
Like no, like right up in here.
Oh,
Up top.
Yeah.
okay.
You want to play the wicks, like that's your whole left shoulder. This would be the retest of this neckline.
Yep.
Give you your left to continue this little left shoulder to drop down. That could be an entry right there. And then this could be your second entry to take it down.
Yeah, that's pretty much what she.
Would
I
you
mean,
need
it's
okay, for me, I would wait for this, but if you get a break and close below at the bottom of this zone, you would retest it and take it to sell.
That's what.
Yeah.
That's what I would do because I need that to break and close below that engulfing for me to be sure. That's what I
Yeah, I'm
would
with
know.
you. I
Yeah, I
mean,
see it, Sil. And I'm with you, but
Yeah.
it's like it's just that confirmation. Until 12 o'clock, I can't get in the trade because you never know what it's going to do. But I mean, everything says, yeah, you can get the sale, but still want to wait.
Let me wait.
I will say
Even
I do
trend
like
line.
this right shoulder
Even
here
trend line saying sale right there.
because I be seeing this a lot. Like if you guys just okay, let me just save this just in case y'all want me to pull them lines back up. But I will say like something that I've noticed is look at this. Like look at this low and now look at this high. Like look at how much like how far the market had to pull up, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I forgot the name of the strategy, but it still works to this day. It's two candles okay,
Oh,
like it's a swing
oh.
high, and then two to the left and two to the right, and it's
Lord, but done that.
it's a signal that the market is going to reverse. So if you were to put your line here, you get the break and close below,
And drop.
retest, and it normally this is the start to something massive. But like Get Your Mind Right was saying on earlier, it goes in levels. So you know, we say all the time, what's your excuse to get in? Okay, it's the right shoulder. It's a bearish engulfing at the top. You know, then I'm looking at, we break this neckline, we gonna keep going. We break this neckline, we gonna keep going. Of course, you guys can go in on 420s and right shoulders and other entries to get in. But this right here is normally a signal that the market is going to reverse. But
Well,
of course,
Go ahead.
yeah, did you want to share your screen or say something?
No, go ahead. I'll wait till you do.
Yeah, so
You right. You right on point. I'm about to just help. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Well, if you got a better way of breaking it down or start saying it, go ahead.
No, you got it. I was letting you break
No,
it.
that was clean what you did, but I'm trying to remember
Oh.
that strategy. What's that? The swing high or something? 2 candles to the left, 2 candles to the right. What's the name of that?
Yeah, yeah. So, I mean, and of course, we got other ways to look at it to get in, but you know, just pay attention, especially when you notice it's a swing like this and like, look at this huge wick.
Mm-hmm.
And then of course, the head and shoulder pattern is the #1 reversal pattern. I know we teach violations of that, but this is the start to a reversal.
Go ahead,
This
babe.
is the signal. Yeah.
Yo,
We done looked at all these other stuff. It's nothing but abundance in this market. So I really hope you guys like find a pair that you really like and just be disciplined because you don't need a million setups to make money. Make your money on one so you can watch one kid. Don't
Amen.
watch 5 of them things.
Amen.
But I was practicing on this because I don't normally trade these pairs, but I was just practicing marking up
Yes.
to see what I see, you know?
Practice, mark up, back test. Do
Mhm.
all of that, Lisa. I'm so proud of you. Just
And-
know
and-
you don't have to eat a million setups to make the money. Just up your lot size on 1 or 2.
Micah said something on when we had the call Tuesday night.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that stuck with me, you know, and he said you gotta get in the market and just mark up trades, don't be afraid. I can't
Mhm.
remember exactly what he said, but that resonated because you gotta go in there and look at it and see what you see. And not that
Yeah.
you're taking it, but practicing it so when you do see it and recognize it, you know what to do.
Yeah.
Hey Jazz, do you know how to use the wave? Like I think it's the
Elliott
Moving
Wave.
averages?
yeah, the Elliott wave.
You want to know what's so crazy? Get your mind right.
What?
I had a bunch of training videos that I had saved on my Telegram, and one of them was an Elliott Wave training video, and I literally said this week I was gonna watch it. But no, I know what it is. I know it's 5 waves, but
Because
are you saying we at the top of a wave?
I wanted to see though. Let me see 1, 2. But see that's the thing, because this high right here. So like, cause you know with the Elliott's wave, it's supposed to be at least like 1, like 2. It's supposed to be 5. So what I see right here is let's see. This would be the low. This would be the high. This is higher than this, but then right here, this was lower than this. So the next high is right here. 1, 2. So this would be 1, 2, 3. This would be
baby.
4. Pull back 5. So this could possibly be the 5th wave. I don't know.
You know what? Just because you brought it up, I'm gonna watch the video. I know one wave pullback can't be. You know what? I'm not even gonna say it because I really don't know. But you know what? I'm actually gonna watch it so we can come back to that.
Facts. And that's also how I knew that UJ was reversing, because I was on the 5th wave at the bottom. And GJ actually looked like it's already about to happen.
It already happened.
On the 1 hour. I'm sure on the 1 hour.
Hold on, let
Me stop sharing.
Yeah, because I guess I had it already marked up or whatever. But yeah, where is it?
Okay, I'm done sharing. Go ahead.
So what I was saying, what it was saying.
Looks nice in here.
Y'all about to go to bed.
Oh, I told him he need to get ready, so he probably coming in there to change.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You want to just turn off your camera real quick so he can do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, this is what I guess I had marked up a while ago.
Dallas, you get. Oh,
It
sorry.
played out right here. You see?
Hey Michael, we only see your Telegram.
Oh crap! How did I do that? I thought I did. Oh, I must have hit the wrong button. see it now?
Yeah.
There you go. Yep. It's playing out right in front of our faces. So honestly,
Oh, dang. So you right. That could be just another entry to get in for the set. Oh, that entry is clean.
yep,
Mm-hmm.
it just got a lot
All
to
I
Yeah,
did
but
was
we
a
see how that
two-touch
dropping.
confirmation. All I did was two-touch confirmation for that cell zone.
Yeah, that's a drop.
Yeah.
Right shoulder, B zone to that neckline of that huge inverted.
So
Yep.
if you looking, just keep on looking, Lisa. Cause I mean, yeah, you get to break in. Ugh, it's gonna be a bounce.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna
It
be
can
one
drop
of those
back
patient
down.
ones. It might even come all the way close back to your injury. But yeah, it's gonna be a.
That would be your
You
420
see
if
what
it
it
break
took to
below
get
that.
up, right? You see what it took to get up, right? That's
Uh-huh.
exactly what it's gonna take to get down. So if you get in smart. You know, like I say, you did.
Hold on, y'all. Not only did we mark this up before this even happened, we did the same for UJ. Get your mind right is so right. When you find one good setup, long term, if you can, ride the wave.
Ride the wave, boys. Ride the
Boy, it's
wave.
gonna be a
That
ride.
is
You gonna have to be patient. You gonna have to
crazy.
leave it
But
alone.
to me, they all look like they moving alike. Because
They
when I saw it
are.
when I came on, they all moving the same. They're dropping.
Honestly,
Mhm.
probably this here and hit in this area would probably be where you want to get out. I just because this was low here, so now that they gave you a little bit more data you to play with, this will probably be close to where you can get out at.
Mm.
It's gonna be a ride. But usually, if you can wait, it'll give you what you want. But
And that costs pips.
can you wait?
And you wait.
No fast food. That's all I say.
The only reason why I'm really looking for UJ to drop, because if you look on your MetaTrader, like on a weekly, on a monthly, on a weekly, and on a 4 hour, that message is too overbought. Like
Oh, this
too
one
overbought.
straight up.
The dot right there.
Look what you got. You just need to go. Well, shit, you might even get what you want. Do me what you
I could be
want.
dropping from there.
Show me what you need. So what you got to do next? Get your mind right. You just waiting. It's gonna give you a bounce from here. You already know what 420s do. So you might get you another double top.
So it come back to that top zone. I don't care.
You might break it, take it up. But yeah, you already know.
And then too, like, cause you know how sometimes on on TraderView, they don't give you the full chart. So like, if like I like to look on my MetaTrader. So
that's all I look at. Period.
On UJ, like, it still got some like on TraderView, like that's the highest it's been. But like on TradingView, it still got some ways to go a little bit.
On MT4, you mean?
I mean, yeah, on MT4.
Yeah.
My bad.
So, no, I hear you.
So but I'm still looking for it to sell. But if it break above that zone, it's on TradingView, like I think that's the highest. But on on TradingView, I think that's the highest. But on MetaTrader, like past that, like it's a whole like, see, if you go to the monthly, you still got like this whole, and then like I threw my fib on there and it kind of connect with like the 618 way at the top.
That could be centuries before I get to that. Yeah, I see what you say, but look at where you at. I mean,
yeah, I just checked MT4.
See,
it hasn't hit the last high yet.
That's what I'm saying. Not on TradingView. Let me see. Jazz, share your screen. Jazz, share your screen. Jazz be on that MT4 thing, and then go to the monthly.
Hold on, that's what I'm on. Let me. Here. Can you see it?
So yeah. You see all the way at that tippy top up there?
It ain't even letting me move it over no more. But yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Yep. And
But
it
you
makes
don't see
sense
that on Trading
because
View.
even on the monthly, it's broken the neckline. So it could push up before giving you that drop.
That's the only thing I was concerned with UJ. But like it's so oversold, so overbought. So I was probably thinking like just to take it back to like the neckline of that zone on my MetaTrader.
Oh, I don't trade the middle. So if it
Gotta
comes
wait on the
back,
break.
this be your buy. If it goes up here, then that sell is already ready.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not.
Yeah.
I ain't that risky, dog. But cause no, like if you go down to like you see how we already seeing the sales. So like technically, we all see the sales on like the 4 hour, the daily, whatever.
Yeah.
If I was to sell it, I would be probably looking to take it to like the B zone.
Right here.
Yeah, cause like
Yep.
this is current market, but
Yeah.
when you drop down to a smaller time frame, it's like you got a whole setup. You see what I'm saying?
I mean,
I don't do too much what's today. It's time switching, but I get it. Cause when I jump to the monthly, that buy zone's right at that.
I mean, that's clear as day, but you're right. You on a whole nother bird's eye view.
Facts. Hey, I be needing to see
But
it.
real talk though, that zone is still valid. So if we break below this, whatever.
Then
If
you
we break
sell.
below this, it's nothing but a slide here. It actually broke out and didn't even give you a retest. So you know,
Facts. So that's why I was saying, like, if I was to sell it, that will be like my TP area. I wouldn't be looking to swing it all the way
Yeah.
down unless I see it like break that zone because, like, I don't know. I just feel like it could possibly go back to continue to the tippity top before it like actually drop to give you that double top on the monthly.
Yeah,
if it break this, would you buy?
There's another double top right there.
Oh, most definitely, because that zone being respected all month. That's the zone I played off of.
And even this is the invert.
God.
It ain't doing nothing but signaling buys for me right now.
I see.
Now, of course, I gotta wait for the break or wait for it to come back, but
To come back and go
it's
back.
pushing.
I look at these 3 candles on the monthly, and I'm like, this is a head and shoulders.
Go ahead, share your screen, Micah.
Yeah. We just wanted Jazz to show like the little like on the MT4 how
I know, because Mike could be going.
I don't know how to do that MT4, so.
Mm-hmm.
This is, yeah.
Yeah, that's Nana over there.
I ain't put it. I don't know how you put it. Oh crap, I'm not even sure. Yeah, everything you say lines up, because 4 hour to the daily. This is a 4 hour markup on the daily.
I see nothing but a.
Straight
Are you?
up.
What time frame are you on?
This the monthly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it matches.
I'm about
up.
to say I only see nothing but a large candle.
I see a door. I can see it. I mean, the sale's happening kind of right now, but it just gonna have to take a minute to get there. But when you get there, you got the inverted here.
It sure do look different from TradingView to MC4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I only do.
I had to do a
MC
double
trading.
take in my chart. That don't even look the same.
No, it doesn't.
That's why you gotta mark up on what pays your bills.
Yeah.
And I don't even use forex.com. I use Owanda because I think it's closer to my broker. Like the way it looks is kind of closer to the broker.
I gotta shrink it.
I don't even think I've been paying attention because I think when I look at the forex.com one, I just go look at the numbers and I go back to my trading view and see, not trading view, but my Eagle FX and see what it lines up to. And that's how I set my alerts with the difference.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and then on top of that, y'all trading Eagle FX, so it's kind of different.
Yeah, every
Yeah.
broker's different.
Eagles,
Every broker's different. But yeah,
Right.
I'm with you. I see the drop to the buy. You know, you got it all right here. Maybe
because
even like that's
technically,
the month. Maybe this might be the monthly fake out. You know, the beginning of the month fake out for real. You know.
man, because I was just about to say it technically gave us that right shoulder, and then it came back and violated it
Yep.
above, and like you got this whole zone right here, like this
Yep.
whole little zone right here. It's which actually lines up with your line already.
Yep.
And
Mhm.
kind of already gave us this retest to take off. So, you know, I don't know. It's I wouldn't even trade it at this point. You feel me? Like, but
All
this
buy
zone right
zone from
here,
here.
'cause this
Any
was a whole
to either break
violation.
from the top or give me that right shoulder for the buy.
Yeah,
Facts,
I
because
want
this
to
was a whole
buy.
violation. So if it come back to like retest this zone or something, if it come back and respect this zone, automatically we buying.
Yeah.
It'll take a minute to get there, but
And that zone is your monthly zone too, so it lines up.
yep, all lined up. So I see it. And I can
Facts.
see a little take.
And it's cool, and it's dope that you coming from a higher time frame perspective, because you know I stay stuck on the 4 hour, but it's still it's just another piece of influence, confirmation, you know?
Facts.
Yeah.
Hey Jazz, you know I be trying to get all the confirmation I can get.
Man,
I get no doubt.
it don't take me long.
We good. We good. Really good. Yeah. All right, y'all. I wouldn't expect the call to go this far.
Drop y'all setups in the chat. These are so good, so we can see how they play out at the end of the week.
There were some nice setups. That's all I can say, but all of them moving is the same to me. I see the
Yeah.
same thing.
That's
But
cool.
I will have some setups after tomorrow.
All
After,
right,
after
Lisa.
this day. Let me ask you
talking to
something.
girl.
Wait, don't go. Is Igna, how for our candle move is 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock?
Wait, you said 4-hour candles?
Yeah. What's your time?
And
Or your
it's,
time?
and
is-
it's five,
My time.
5 then 9.
Huh?
You had it right. 1 o'clock,
9,
5 o'clock,
1.
9 o'clock.
Right, Okay, I thought I was right. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. I was just making sure. Confirmation.
Yeah, you
Confirmation, good.
Good job,
Lisa, I'm
bro.
glad that you asked, because you asked no matter what. Yeah.
Mhm.
Got
And
it.
I'm glad I saw this call. Thank you.
I know. I see Lisa on the live, like, girl, if you don't get on this Zoom.
Yeah, I saw that. And I got up, I said, let me go to the computer. And mind you, I had the computer and I put it down. And when I saw that, I hop on. So good job, guys. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Have a good
squad.
night. See y'all Wednesday.
Appreciate y'all.
Y'all in.